Hi, I'm Amy, and today we're going to learn how to solve and graph inequalities with decimals. So let's start out with an easy one. The equation is a plus 2.14 is greater than 2. So your first step is to subtract 2.14 from each side. So you minus 2.14 from 2.14 and 2.14 from the 2, which gives you a is greater than negative 0.14. Now you have to graph it. And a tip for when you're graphing is then a greater than or less than sign. When you put it down, it's an open circle. A greater than or equal to sign, or less than or equal to sign, when you put it down, it's a closed circle. So in this case, it's a greater than sign. So you put it down as an open circle. By the way, that is an open circle. And since you put it on the number, which is negative 0.14, which is right about there, and then a is greater than it, so you put the arrow going to the greater, because a is over here. So negative 0.14, a is greater than it, so you do the arrow going that way. Let's try some more. X plus 5.5 is greater than or equal to 10. So your first step is minus 5.5 from both sides. X is greater than or equal to 4.5. And that's your answer. Now let's graph it. So this would make it, since it's a greater than or equal to sign, it would make it a closed circle. So 4.5 is right here, closed circle, and x is greater than it, so it goes that way. Challenge problem. 2.2b minus 5.1 plus 1b is less than 7. So your first step is to combine 2.2b and 1b, which gives you 3.2b. Now you do minus 5.1 is greater than 7. So the next thing you do is get rid of the 5.1. Since that's a minus sign, you add 5.1, 3.2b is greater than 12.1. I mean, it's less than 12.1, my bad. So your next step, divide 3.2 and divide 3.2. Now, since no one can obviously do that in your head, you need a calculator. So 12.1 divided by 3.2 equals a really long number. So let's just say you have to round it to the nearest tenth. So that would be 0.38. It's right there. All right, so this is obviously going to be, when you graph it, it's going to be an open circle. So 0.38 we will say is right around here. And since b is less than it, the arrow will be going this way. And that is correct. That's the end. Thanks for watching. Bye.